It's time for the Nighttime Report with Robyn Knight.
And here's your week in review. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed the Grammys, but I definitely have to point those out who did not obey the dress code at the Grammys. So you saw Katy Perry and Kelly Rowland's side tatas, or I guess to say mid tatas, as well as Alicia Keys' bottom breast. Well, actually, it turns out that CBS had actually pre-approved the ladies' dresses beforehand. I guess they kept the nakedness to a minimum. But I bet Beyonce was mad she picked that cover-up shirt when she introduced Justin Timberlake, which was good, too, with her man Hope, too. And even Rihanna's dress was on the edge, but again, everybody was approved. Speaking of Rihanna, someone bought her a lovely bouquet for Valentine's Day, but it's not what you think. Take a look. Yes, it's a gift of pot, and y'all wonder why they do stupid stuff. Now, what we don't know is who purchased this for her, but we do know that Chris Brown does have that special card of his, but you're not supposed to buy the material for other people. Chris Brown probably gonna get in trouble for that one too. And remember the incident between Chris Brown and Drake? Well, they now are both suing each other over the incident that happened, since the bar is suing both of them of being responsible for all the other club goers' injuries. So we'll see how that goes. And 2 Chainz was arrested, but take a look at the picture. The police officers are cheesing up because I guess they was happy that they were able to meet 2 Chainz. And what was he arrested for? For having possession of marijuana. Maybe him and Riri need to talk. And 2 Chainz was on stage at the All-Star Slam Dunk Contest in Houston, Texas, as the West won with Toronto's Terrence Ross. And speaking of b-ball, happy 50th birthday to the all-time best basketball player there is, Michael Jordan. And here's a weird incident with T.O., Terrell Owens. Supposedly, a lady called the police after she asked T.O. to stop banging on her door after 3 hours. T.O. did not comment. Weird. Odd. And Jim Jones was arrested as well, but not for what you think. He got irate with the police officers as they were giving him a ticket and discussing different warrants from a fine for not clearing his sidewalk. So don't worry, he didn't pull a 2 Chainz. Did you tune in to President Barack Obama's State of the Union address? Well, I hope you also catch the Republican rebuttal with Rubio. And did you catch that awkward moment of dry mouth when he stooped down to pick up a swig of water? Yeah, very awkward. And also, it must be hard out here for a pope, because he's quitting. I mean resigning, which actually hasn't happened in like 900-something years. Hey, if you're looking for employment, the Pope's is hiring. And I have a few bones to pick. Kelly Clarkson. Why you do my boy like that? Miguel was awesome in the Grammys, but Kelly Clarkson has to get up and say, Miguel, I ain't never heard of you, but I want to work with you. Don't be working with her, Miguel. Don't do it. And I said it. Just remember, Kelly, America voted you in. All right, okay. And Phaedra from Atlanta Housewives is having her 2nd baby, and guess what it is? It's another baby boy. But this pregnancy is going to be more difficult than her first pregnancy. So we need to pray for our girl and see what happens on Atlanta Housewives. And now we all know exactly how Blue Ivy looks. Cutie patootie, I must say. You know Blue Ivy, the daughter of Beyonce and Jay-Z. She appeared in Beyonce's HBO documentary, Life is But a Dream, Saturday night. But if you're like me, you got to catch a sneak peek of the leaked tweeted picture before the documentary. And if you didn't get to see it, check it out on my Facebook page at Robyn Thicke Knight. Cutie patootie looking just like her mama and daddy. Hey, Beyonce, I'll babysit. And that's your weekend review with your sister girl Robyn Knight on Hot 103 Jams.